Some people don't disappear when you walk away. They disappear when you stop reacting. Your silence can do what your words never could. Toxic people feed on your emotions, not your absence. So, if you really want peace, don't fight them, confuse them with calm. Do this once, and watch how every manipulator starts losing power over you. 1. Detach emotionally, not physically. You don't need to block everyone. Just stop giving them emotional access. Detachment isn't cruelty, it's clarity. They control you only through the reactions they can trigger. When you stop reacting, they start fading. Silence is the loudest truth in a toxic world. 2. Stop explaining yourself. The moment you start explaining yourself to someone committed to misunderstanding you, you've already lost peace. Toxic people don't listen to understand, they listen to twist. Stay calm, say less, mean more. Sometimes, no is a complete sentence. Clarity isn't about convincing others, it's about reminding yourself what you deserve. 3. Use silence as your boundary. Your silence will irritate every manipulator who once thrived on your attention. Peace confuses those who live off chaos. You don't owe everyone a reaction. When you go quiet, their power dies slowly. The calm one always wins, not because they're weak, but because they've outgrown the game. 4. Choose distance instead of drama. Sometimes you heal better in distance than in explanation. When energy feels heavy, that's your sign to step back. Not every relationship deserves closure, some deserve silence. Space reveals truth more than words ever can. Walking away doesn't mean you lost, it means you finally understood. 5. Watch their reaction to your calmness. First, they'll call you distant, then they'll call you cold. But when calm becomes your boundary, they'll finally call you gone. Never explain your peace to people addicted to noise. Let them think you've changed. Peace always looks strange to chaos. 6. Never chase what's trying to control you. If someone only values you when they can control you, they never valued you at all. When control ends, manipulation begins. The most dangerous thing you can do to a toxic person is move on silently. Calm is power. Detachment is freedom. Let them talk. Let them twist. You keep evolving. 7. Focus on your energy, not their behavior. You can't change them, but you can outgrow them. Your peace will attract people who speak your language. The more you heal, the less interesting toxicity becomes. When your energy shifts, toxic people simply disappear. Real strength is silent, real peace is unbound, and real power, it's walking away without a single word. If this message hit your heart, type below, "My peace is my power," and subscribe for more silent strength and deep psychology wisdom.